Okay, I'm going to show you the problem with this handle when you're holding it, and it's here with the two fingers, the little pinky and the other one, and there's a lot of pressure on there because the round handle, and it shoots from the fingers and it actually goes up your arm, and after a while you start getting aches in the forearm exactly because of this. And we've actually made one here with the square lock, and this is what we've put in the handles, and it works quite well. It's you can use it a lighter grip using those two fingers, and you don't get that pain up, shooting pain up your forearm. So this is the solution. I'll just show you the end bit, and what we've done is we've squared it off on this side, the underside, and also on this side. And of course there's material around there as well, and you can see it's got the same effect than that square lock that I showed you. And this is what we've done. We've folded this down like this, and we'll show you how it was done. So it's in the vise here. Use that sort of a jig to get the correct size. So I'll just using a wood rasp here, so I'll speed it up. Side one. Now the underside. And finally we'll do side two, that's the opposite side of course. And so just knock, and it's right to go, and now it's ready to put the material on the handle. And the material we're using is marine carpet with no rubber backing on it. And we're using contact glue here. We spray it on. Maybe a bit more than what you're seeing, but once we got this done, so it's sort of got to dry a bit tacky, so we've been using a heat gun to do this. It makes it a bit quicker. It's sort of tacky dry. So now we've got the marine carpet, which we cut to size. Do the same thing, spray it on the smooth side, not the rough side. And same thing, use the heat gun, making sure that you're a reasonable distance, you don't want to burn it. And now that we've all got ready to put the marine carpet on the handle, you start on this end on the underside, and you bring it around, and what I've done is put it in the vise because you want to get the square sides very tight on, and I find just putting in the vise it seems to help the glue bond better. So once you've done this, you want to trim the end off here. I'll just spin the vise around a little bit, and you get a Stanley knife and you just cut it down here, being very careful of course. So just trim that off, and what I'll do is just put it in the vise again, that way it'll squeeze the contact together more securely, or press it together, whatever. and that's how it's done. And I well, suppose that's about it.